Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a prosthetist here at Integrity Prosthetics and Orthotics. Today we're going to be talking about how to properly don a shrinker. So this is a standard shrinker that we have here. Now if you notice on the inside of it there are some silicone dots. That helps with suspension of the shrinker, otherwise it may want to try to slide off. So the best way of doing this, we don't want to just take it and pull it down because there's a lot of friction with this. So the easiest way of doing this is to take it, turn it inside out about halfway. We want to make a little cup out of it, especially for some of our new amputees. They're a little sensitive down there on the bottom of the limb. So it helps if we take it, turn it inside out about halfway. We're going to open it up. If you have an extra set of hands, it helps to open it up this way as well as this way all at the same time. So we're going to take it, we're going to open it up, and then we're just going to pull it down on the limb, and then we're going to flip it down just like that. And we want to make sure that the silicone dots are touching the skin, and that's going to help prevent it from sliding down. If you do have any questions, feel free to give us a call at Integrity. Our phone number is 863-937-9200. Thank you.